way too early. I've been on the road for about an hour now. Still have 4 hours, 10 minutes to go. In case you're wondering, why the fuck are you up so early? Where are you going? I'm heading to the Nürburgring for the European time attack. Gonna take some photos, some video. Yeah. Since I'm living in Hamburg, which is roughly 500 kilometers away from the Nürburgring, the event starts at 8, 9-ish. 5 hours drive. So I have to wake up at 2 AM, drive 3 AM. Way too early. I hate it. Yeah. Get out of the way, man! Okay, this shot is lit. But this dude has to get out of the way! Yeah. Change the angle. Damn it, missed it. Next one. Here comes the sick Porsche, GT4S I think. Have a look. Holy f***, so loud. Looking for a new place to shoot some panning shots. Probably gonna switch it up a bit. Use like another filter, I don't know. Currently all I've been shooting with is a 7200. I have not touched any of my other lenses. 70-200, everything you need. Hands down, best lens ever. So versatile, so freaking good, especially for car photography like motorsport stuff. Can't go wrong with the 70-200. Yeah. If you have any questions, what I'm using, how I'm shooting stuff, I don't know, any questions, I don't give a f what you ask me, just write it down in the comments. Trying some panning shots, but I don't know if you can even hear me because they're drifting right back there. Okay, what do we have? 1/80th of a second. I'm probably gonna just put the settings I use on the screen, but you can't even hear me properly. Yeah, but I shoot these right now with 1/80th of a second at 4.5. Tracking mode, this is important because it locks onto the subject. Oh, shit, I missed it. Ah, that's not focused, not sorry. All with this GT3 RS. I'm so in love with this car. Like, this GT3 RS is so damn awesome. Oh god, this thing. Oh, this thing is awesome, man. Oh, another Porsche. I'm not sure. Okay, here we go. Green GT3 RS. Please, 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 please. Yes! I think this is okay. I mean, this is definitely in focus. I think I want this, like the sky is really dramatic, so I'm using 2470. So like currently I'm using 2470 because I want to catch all the dramatic sky with the cars. Second. See? That's lit. That's freaking lit. Obviously, I'm sure you can't see the car that good.